Got one, maybe two deer way out there. On the other side of that knoll, it's flooded. Last year, during the last weekend of the season, we lost focus. That gap right there, I went to set up across it, and there's birds on the backside. That busted out. But if you look real hard, you can see the water there, the water back here. So we're gonna scout a little bit. No, I got permission from the farmer to turkey hunt here, so I'm just trying to scout some birds.
I know there's some turkeys out here in this area.
I busted them out last year, right that gap right there. Well, I don't know what the heck to think. So there's no interview for this morning because I was running late. I set my alarm at 6:30 last night to go off at 5 o'clock. And it never went off. It was burnt out in that guy's field like normal. He didn't want anybody new hunt. That sucks. But went in around the backside, got a little closer to try and hear the bird that I roosted Wednesday and saw, or roosted Thursday, saw Wednesday or Friday morning. Get in there, listening, I hear nothing. Make some calls, and it's a ghost town. So this guy's son's out there, but I backed out, flip around the other side. I honestly don't even know how I'm going to approach this. I lost my sticks for my decoys. I don't know. I might leave the decoys at a certain spot and then just run and gun, but I'm a little nervous and disappointed that A, I didn't have my alarm go off, and B, the bird's just not there. I mean, it's probably 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday, a little more maybe, and it's a cloudy day. Chris had mentioned he thinks it's going to keep him pretty tight-lipped today. I was hoping it wouldn't be the case, but it seems like it is. I haven't heard a gobble at all. Nowhere. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm hoping I have some luck over here. We'll check in a little bit. I know you guys can't see my face. We got a gobble. We're rolling. Oh, he's real close. I got him. No, that's not him. He's in that field though. I don't know how to approach this. I'm trying to get to them bushes. Oh, shit. There's a train coming. is, guys, this is a lot of hard work right here. I've been out scouting for these things for a few weeks, and I didn't hear from my first gobble till Wednesday night after a big rainstorm. And I was out behind the house and I couldn't hunt there, but got out here Thursday night, roosted him probably 700 yards to the other side of the farm there to where I'm nodding. And I got out there yesterday morning and he was still there, so I was feeling confident. Didn't roost last night. I had my niece's birthday party I was at. Get out here this morning, I work on the other side of the permission to backside him, try and get closer, because there's a big river that runs right here, or a big creek, and he wasn't there. So I was like, oh crap. So I work around back to this side. I hear him gobbling a couple hundred yards that way, across the river, or the creek. So I tried to make a call on him. He didn't want nothing to do with it. So I was like, I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna set up. He's gonna work to me. I'm gonna call for him to work to me. I'm not gonna work to him anymore. And he had beat me here. So I set up where the decoys are still currently. He was in this big flat back here. I made some calls on the slate call, and then train come by, he's gobbling. I just started, I called on slate a few more times than I had called off my cluck diaphragm call. Make it seem like there's more than one bird down here. And it got real quiet. And my camera had shut off, unfortunately. And there was no good spots right here to sit that I wasn't gonna get picked out. So I had gloves on, I couldn't find the power on button. I tried, he turned to walk away, and I wasn't gonna let him walk away. So I picked up the 410, and I shot. It was probably a 35-yard shot, if I had to guess. Hit him in the wing because he ducked his head at the last second. I was aiming for the beard area because my gun shoots just a tad high. Hit him, he couldn't fly anymore. So what I did is I chased him down, used my old track and field speed and agility, and got right on top of him. I was able to put a shot on him and knock him down for good. So Ohio's season, one and done, opening day, success. I apologize there's no footage. I really feel bad about that, but it's extremely hard to self-film turkey hunting. I just learned that, so I was being cocky like I would. Like, it's no harder than self-filming a deer hunt, but it's extremely harder. So I'm very appreciative of this bird. We're going to sit here for a few minutes and just admire him. And we're going to pack him up and go to Steven's house and get him taken care of, and then home they get pictures. So I appreciate everybody's support. I'm sorry about the pictures or the video again, but I'm very happy with him. He's got a nice beard on him. I don't know, probably 10 inches. I don't know if that's accurate. I don't know how you measure the beard. We're gonna figure it out. Stevens. He's got some nice looking spurs on him. So thanks everybody for watching. Go subscribe. Go follow our social medias. We love you. Thanks.